We need to prepare an ELRS receiver. The flight controller pin definitions are the same. The wiring of the receiver is shown in the figure. Cross-connect TX and ARCs. Connect the receiver. Connect to power. Click Size. Choose Expressals. Enter the ELRS transmitter setup interface. Packet rate refresh rate selection, 333 Hz. Switch mode channel selection, 16 chances. Telem ratio return ratio selection, 1:8. Click Bind. Transmitter enters binding mode. Connect and disconnect for 3 times consecutively. Receiver double flashes, entering binding mode. Binding successful. The flight controller LED changes from fast flashing red to solid purple. Click Other Devices. Choose your receiver BK to G4 Nano ARCs. Enter the receiver settings page. Set Telem power to 25 megawatts. Since the power supply of the flight controller is limited, it is not recommended to set the receiver to too high power. Open the software and connect the flight controller to the computer. Since the channels have not been set yet, they are all at their default positions at this time. Click MDL. Go to the Mixes page. Click the plus sign below to add a new channel. Add the corresponding channels on the transmitter, according to the channels shown in the software. Choose CH5. Click Source. Toggle the switch you want to set, then click Confirm. Toggle the switch to check if the software is working correctly. If the channel is reversed, you can set the weight from 100% to -100%. Continue adding channel CH7. Select the switch. Check if it is correct. Continue adding channel CH8. Select the switch. Check if it is correct. Continue adding channel CH9. Select the switch. Check if it is correct. Function switch setup completed. Next, set the return voltage of the helicopter. Click MDL and navigate to the telemetry interface. Click Discover New. The information displayed above is the helicopter telemetry data. Next, add a voltage display to the interface. Click Tele. Click this icon. Set up widgets. Click anywhere on the screen to set the return voltage. Find the value option. Confirm. Find Oxt in the source option. Confirm. Return to the main interface. You can see that the transmitter now displays the helicopter voltage. Start calibrating the transmitter. Click Start Calibration. Move the left and right sticks to their maximum positions. Toggle each channel switch once. Calibration complete. Click to write parameters. Adjustment completed. Have a field test flight.